Hey guys, we get questions all the time about exchanging the elements on a HUUM heater. Here in front of me today we've got the Steel and the Cliff, which are two of HUUM's most popular models. So we're going to walk you through that process. These heaters are exactly the same when it comes to changing the elements, so we'll go ahead and take a look and see how that's done. It's always a good idea to exercise caution whenever removing these elements, so we do recommend wearing a pair of gloves whenever you're doing this. Starting with the base plate, we're going to remove these screws. You're going to need a 7mm wrench to be able to remove these. Once you've removed the base plate, you can see that the interior components of the Cliff and the Steel are exactly identical. So for the remainder of the video, we're going to focus on the HUUM Steel here. You will need to convert over to an 8mm in order to remove the screws from the interior. Next step, you're going to remove all the wiring that is attached to the heating elements. Now that we've got our wires removed, we're going to go ahead and remove these elements. All right, to remove the elements, you're first going to go up to get this out of this right here, and then you're going to bring it back down. The process is going to be to remove the element. You're going to slide it down right here, and then you're going to bring it back out through the side. You will need to get around this side piece right here, so just be cautious of that. For more information, give us a call or visit us at saunaplace.com.